Okay. So getting the PC board connected to my ESU Loksound DCC decoder. So I got the speaker hooked up. Okay, so it's saying not used for the train bus. So get that out of the way. So function 5 will be my left ditch. It says auxiliary power. So my left ditch light. So left ditch light on my ESU. My left ditch light is aux2. So it's gonna be awkward. Auxiliary 2 for left ditch light. Alright. Make sure that's in there. Is it not open? Alright. Open it up a little bit. Oh, it wasn't open. So aux2, left ditch light. All right, let's see. Right ditch light will be function 4. So let's see, not use. These are not used. Function 1. Okay, so next one we have so function 4, which is the right ditch light, and that is my auxiliary 1 on my decoder. So let's make sure it's okay. So loosen it up. Oh, come on. All right. All right, so that's that. So a little tug, make sure they're all good. Next one is, so that's 4, so function 3. Function 3. So function 3 is safety lights. So let's see what I have. Safety lights. It's my auxiliary 5. Safety lights, auxiliary 5. Alright, so let's loosen that up. Auxiliary 5, tighten it up. Make sure you guys can see my arms, so my arms are in the way. Let's see, the next one is, okay, so that's safety lights, auxiliary 5 on my ESU. And then we have cab lights, which is my auxiliary 4. So that's the function, I guess that's the function 2 on here. So auxiliary 4, down here. Let's loosen it up first. Okay, that's that. So that's the cab lights. Next one is front number boards is auxiliary 3. So let's loosen auxiliary 3 up on the ESU. This is the function 1 on the PC board. That in here. All right. All right, so we're getting it together. So I'm looking at my tablet here, making sure I'm getting everything right on the ESU side. All right, so I think we're all good on the right side of the, let's see what this says, not used. Okay, so far so good. So we're all good on that side. So this side will be the motor, track, and smoke unit. So, and I also have a positive and a ground I gotta plug in too. So, all right, let's start from the bottom. We'll do the track left. Do track left. So this is okay. We do it how we can. Guess I could do it like that. All right, so track left. Well, you know what? We'll start from the top because it seems like that might work a little bit better. Start from the top. So we're gonna do track right. Are these loose? I think these are loose on this side. So we do track right. I think they're loose. All right, track right. And we'll do the track left, which is above it. Make sure that goes in there good. Raise it up a little bit more. All right, tighten that up. Pop that a little bit. It's right there. Okay, let's see. It might be a little big. This might be a little big. Let's see if I can find a smaller one. All right, so we're good there. So it's all tight. All right, the next one is motor positive. So that's right under track right. Right under track right. All right. I think good. All right. Okay, so positive motor. So I'm gonna come down. The next one we have is rear LED, rear light. Let's see, where's that on here? Okay, oh wow, it's on the other side. Okay, that's tough. All right, so this is probably gonna have to be like this. But rear light on that side is it loose? It's not open. Let's open it up. This one might actually be bigger. All right. Okay, rear light. Here we go. Gotta get it over there. So loosen it up. Rear light. That's yellow here. All right. In there. Make sure it's in there good. Next one is, this is a stretch, but the next one is the smoke unit. I have as my, I think it's box 6. Let's see. Yeah, it's my 6, auxiliary 6 on a smoke negative. All right. So that's auxiliary 6. So it's over here at the bottom. All right, let's get these out of the way. Loosen that up. Auxiliary 6. And smoke negative to auxiliary 6. In there. All right, tighten it up. All right, so the next one we have is the ground. So it's saying on the Bachmann instructions that this goes to the negative on the EC. So I got a ground plug. I have a ground plug on my ESU, so I'll put it in there. So I think so far so good with this install. I think so far so good. All right, so I got the ground on the ESU plugged up. So here's the B plus. So it's gotta go to the positive on my ESU. I personally think the ESU Loksound is one of the best. Easy to install, sounds good, smooth operation. All right, so let's see. So we got the positive hooked up. Don't eat chuff. I got a front LED. Just gonna come all the way over here. All right, so I'm gonna loosen that up. Let's see, front LED is my white here. All right, let's get that in there. Yep, it's good to go. So it's pretty much gonna go. Okay. Let's see. So it's kind of a stretcher. So I got a motor, negative motor here. So I'm gonna loosen that up. I'm almost done. Okay, so I'm gonna walk through this real quick, make sure everything matches up. All right, I got, so going from the instructions on the Bachmann instructions, very top on the PC board, Bachmann PC board, we got right rail. The next one is positive motor. Then I got my rear light. I have my smoke going to my auxiliary output on the ESU. And no, okay, so I got ground, right? Hooked up to the ground on the ESU. I got the positive hooked up to the positive on the ESU. Let's see, the front light, the left rail. All right. All right. So the other side I have. Auxiliary not used. Then I have function 1, which is number boards, which is my aux 3. Right? Yep. Aux 3. Function 2, cab lights. Function 3, safety lights. Function 4, ditch lights. That's the right ditch light, right? Right ditch light, the auxiliary 1, which is 4. Auxiliary 1, right ditch light. Left ditch light, auxiliary 5. Oh no, auxiliary 2. Then I have auxiliary 5 is, no, function 5 is left ditch light. Okay, train bus positive not used, train bus negative not used. And I got speaker negative, and I got a read switch not used, and I got speaker plus. Okay, so I think I'm all good. Open the train and get that in there.